members are requested to sit down. When the chair is on his feet,
आप
nobody else stands.
आप सभी परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने और सदन की गरिमा को बनाए रखने का आग्रह करता हूँ। राज्य के सभी क्षेत्रों में सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास के संवैधानिक मैंडेट के अनुसार सरकार बेहतर शासन के माध्यम से राज्य की बहुमुखी प्रगति लोगों के जीवन स्तर
Government of India to impose on us the language.
कर रही है।
No, we will not allow this. Down, down. We condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing
Speaker,
us
sir,
in the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior
It
that
is
is expected
shame.
of an elected member.
Oh,
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the
we
behavior
will not
expected of the elected member.
either you
The
throw us
Honorable
out,
Speaker, the Honorable
either you
Governor
throw
is
us out
addressing
or
the
you
House.
stop the governor.
The Honorable
No, we are
Governor
not
is addressing the
misbehaving.
House.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of-
voice of the people of the
This
state.
is not the kind of
This is
behavior is
against
expected
sentiment of the people.
of elected